Hi, Frank Ray from Chesapeake Wills and Trust. We're going to talk about the different kinds of estates you may encounter going through probate in Maryland. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know when we're publishing more content that'll help you with your probate and estate planning needs. All right, so there are basically two different kinds of estates that you're going to encounter when you're going through probate in Maryland. There's a small estate and a regular estate. What's the difference? So the difference is the value of the estate. Let's talk about how we create the value of the estate. Remember, this is happening right up front in the process. If you haven't watched our video about the process, I'm going to put a link down below so you'll understand how this fits in. So let me give you the small estate versus the regular estate. A small estate is going to be $50,000 or up to $100,000 if the spouse is the sole beneficiary or legatee. A regular estate is going to be anything over that. How do we come up with a value? You're going to make a list of everything the decedent owned, all of those non-probate assets, everything they own in their name or that they controlled at the time of their death. From that, you're going to subtract what we call the secured debt. An example of a secured debt would be a loan that's used to pay for a house, a loan that's used to pay for a boat that's attached to the title. What you're not going to do is you're not going to subtract consumer debt or credit card debt yet. That's not what we use in figuring out the value of the estate up front for this purpose. So after you make that list of what they owned and the value and you subtract the secured debt, you're going to come up with an amount. And that amount is what we're going to use to determine whether or not you do a small estate or whether or not you have to do a regular estate. If you want more information about estate planning, about probate, click on our probate guide down below. Get more information that'll help you through your probate process in Maryland.